Hey guys, I'm working on this Kodiak 400. It had a dirty carb and gas tank. The gas tank, I took it in the house and washed it out in the bathtub with super hot water. Filled it up and shake it, and took this petcock off. I'll have to clean that out. So I'll show you in a second. And anyways, I take this rag and I got this one already done, but and I get right in the. I use the hot water so that it dries as fast as possible, the best as possible. And then I stick a rag in there like that, nice clean rag, and wipe the hole inside with the rag. This is why here. This is all dirt. This little like woolly looking stuff here was actually down at this piece. These go together like this. Dirt through here, down around all this full of wool, so basically nothing was getting through. And then there's still dirt in the carburetor from the gas tank. And you can tell that's a fine screen there. This is the on valve. This is the reserve valve. This is why I never put the bike on reserve, because you can see the dirt was up past into the screen of this one. As soon as you turn that on, any dirt that can get through gets through. Whereas this one, the dirt's all sitting down. You know, the dirt could be this deep with it on. As long as it wasn't going down the tube, you're set. Unless you break down in the woods, don't turn it. So I replace this little screen in the carburetor. That goes up. This is where your needle valve goes. And this O-ring here I replaced as well. What happens is, even if your float's working good, you get a leak there sometimes. What was happening with this bike is you just pull the pull cord with no choke, super light, and it'll be, you'd look at it and be running. But it's because it was leaking fuel between the dirt and the needle valve and that O-ring. And then once you got it going, it was getting hot because it wasn't able to get enough fuel once it burnt off that extra gas. You can see here they get lean, and that's heat from the muffler that melts this bodywork there. I've seen a couple of Yamahas do this 600 air cooled. Okay, so when I clean this, I'm going to blow all that shit away. I'm going to blow air in through this end with it on. Basically, I'm going to do it with it on and with it on reserve to clean out both of them things. I got it on reserve there, so you'll see this screen maybe blow out some dust or something. And I'm going to turn it to on. Yeah, even though I know this is all clean, I'm not going to put it on reserve ever again. And keep clean fuel in it. The customer was complaining that it smoked a bit in that too, but I'm just basically getting it running. All this stuff would have been done anyways. And we're going to try it. I'm pretty sure it was just smoking because it was running too rich. And yeah. But if you think you're just going to dump the gas out of your gas tank or siphon it out and put new gas in, you're just going to waste your gas. You may as well take it off and clean it, rinse it out, get in there with a flashlight, look for dust, wipe it out with the rag, and be done with it. That's it for now, guys. I'll let you know when we get it running.